Welcome to Santorini, Greece, one of the most famous islands in the world. From unforgettable sunsets to an epic hike with jaw-dropping views, plus an incredible boat tour on the Aegean Sea, I'm taking you on an adventure through this stunning destination. Let's go! We made it to Santorini. Look at the sunrise. Woo! Here's my mates. Brilliant. That was our plane. There it is. There's the sunrise. So brilliant. So this is where we're staying in Santorini while we're here. This is one of the bedrooms. And down there's a bathroom. Little cave. But it's down in there. Then out here, there's like a jacuzzi tub. Hold on, I'll show you. Da, 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 da. Jacuzzi! And, hello Beth, in here is the kitchen with a nice little bathroom. It's cool looking. And out here is where Anna's going to sleep. In this room, look, it's nice.
Welcome to my crib.
Nice view of the outside, how lovely is that? Nice window, and then mine is going to be in here. And there's mine. How cool is this place? We're just about to start the hike in Santorini. Woo! Come on, Anna! Woo! One of the best ways to take in Santorini's beauty is by hiking from Fira to Ia. It's about a 6-mile trail that takes you along the Caldera cliffs with insane views at every turn. It didn't take us very long, and once we got there we had lunch and it was a fantastic day. Definitely wear sunscreen or leave early in the morning. Santorini was shaped by a massive volcano eruption thousands of years ago, creating the dramatic cliffs that you see today. As you look around, you see whitewashed houses hanging over the edge of the Caldera, with the deep blue Aegean Sea stretching endlessly beyond. Scared of this eyeball.
Alright, so you get rid of the head.
Walking through Ia feels like stepping into a postcard. The whitewashed buildings, bright blue domes and little shops make it one of the most charming places I've ever been. But it does get super crowded. I was there in April just before the season started, so it made it much nicer. is one of the areas people come for an amazing sunset. Santorini is famous for its magical sunsets, and trust me, it lives up to the hype. I watched the sun dip below the horizon in Ia and Fira, and the sky turned into an unreal blend of orange, pink and purple. Sunsets get crowded, but there's plenty of bars and restaurants to see the sunset from, but you definitely want to get there early. Today we're on a boat tour to explore Santorini by water. We sailed past volcanic islands, we swam in the clear blue waters, and we got to visit a hot spring.
All the other beaches are black sanded, although the white beach is also black sanded, but we'll talk about that later on. So the color that you see here on the rocks, the color red, it's because it contains materials like iron and other metals, so it gets oxidized by the sun. So basically it's not red, it's just rusty. So that's why we don't really recommend coming here for swimming, because you never know when a rock might fall.
You can book this boat ride with Get Your Guide, and it was only $59 with the meal and drinks included. A boat ride in Santorini is a must-do, especially at sunset. We decided to stay ashore for sunset, and here are some videos of an epic sunset that evening.
mais il y a des gens qui font des photos.
If you're thinking about visiting Santorini, I would definitely recommend it. It was absolutely breathtaking. Every single evening, we saw amazing sunset, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you've been to Santorini, let me know what you thought of the place when you visited. And if you're thinking of going, drop me a message below and let me know when you're going. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, and I'll hopefully see you on the next video.